5 gabay para sa masayang buhay. The first one is free your heart from hatred. Magpatawad ka, huwag ka magtatanim ng sakit ng loob. The second is free your mind from worries. Marami tayong mga takot sa buhay, hindi naman lahat yan magkakatotoo. Third is to free ourselves from greed and selfishness. Matuto tayong makontento sa buhay, matuto tayong magbigay, dahil mas nakaka-bless ang taong mapagbigay. Fourth is, you must free yourself from other people's expectations. Kailangan nating tanggapin, hindi lahat ng tao magugustuhan tayo. Pero dapat, wag nating ikasama ng loob yun. Not everybody will love you, but that's okay. Accept that, be happy. And number 5, we must free ourselves from sin.